My name is Gene, and I am the Eco Head of Marketing. And I'm thrilled to share with you this generative AI demonstration because it is quite powerful and it's a very unique way of surfacing insights that you wouldn't normally get access to with today's business intelligence products. This capability built by Eco embeds generative AI into reports and dashboards so that if you're not sure what you're looking at and don't like the data in front of you because it seems like there's a trend that's out of whack, you could do further analysis by posing natural language questions. Now, what I like about this demonstration that I have in front of me is a report called the Eco Customer 360 report. And it has data from ERP sources, Salesforce, HubSpot, Jira, Shopify, and Toggle. Toggle being things like services, tickets, and service implementations. ERP being things like your supply chain data, your shipping information. Salesforce being things like what is forecasted revenue. HubSpot is what campaigns have you executed against these customers. And Jira are things like tickets. So do you have a customer support ticket open with any of these given customers? So at any point, I could click on the ERP data or the Salesforce data to load the Salesforce or the HubSpot data or the Jira ticketing information. Now, luckily, this report only has a handful of customers in it. However, if I had thousands and thousands of customers, it would be very hard for me to wrap my head around who are all the high risk customers. Sure, I could do a sort and look at the high risk customers and the low risk customers and the medium risk customers and then look at them from that perspective. But if we didn't enrich this data previously with a field called high risk, low risk, medium risk based on things like number of tickets, number of open amount or total billed in terms of payments that haven't yet come in or Salesforce forecast data that is still open, I wouldn't get this information. Now, this high risk, low risk, medium risk column is something that we created in the data processing phase of the Eco platform. We were able to look at all the various data sources, then enrich that data with this column that categorized or classified customers into those different categories. Now, again, if I had thousands of customers, I would still want to look at who are the top customers in each of those categories that are most at risk of churn. So maybe I don't want to spend time slicing and dicing and filtering this report. Maybe I just want a quick and easy answer. So at any point, I can click inside the report, go to my Copilot, and simply type in a question that says, show me the customers at risk of churn. And I'm just going to let the system think away here, and it will bring back a series of customers it thinks are most at risk of churn. And here we have it, a very quick report that's come back that says, here are the customers most at risk of churn. So we have fitness cycling, journey sporting goods, and novelty bikes. Now, you can see here that they still have open cases. They have some online orders, but the biggest risk has been around things like the open amount. So the forecasted revenue is a big risk weight for us with respect to any actions we should take. Now, being a business analyst, one of the things I may want to do is figure out what's the strategy in order to reduce these customers from churning from my business. So at this point, I could talk to my colleagues, I could call the sales managers, I could call the product managers and put together a whole plan. Or if I'm feeling like I would like to see some insights or some recommendations coming from the system, I can just simply type in, show or, what steps should I take to stop these customers from churning? So let's see what the system comes back with. At this point, I really don't know what it's going to come back with because I'm just asking the generative AI, which understands this data. And because of the power of generative AI, it has some intelligence built into it, and it will come back and give me some recommendations on what I should do. So interestingly, it will give me a high-level series of recommendations. So personalized communication, offer exclusive deals and discounts, improve customer service, etc. And then at the bottom, it will give me specific actions I should take for each of these three customers. So personalized offers, resolve the open cases immediately, introduce some sort of loyalty program specifically for fitness cycling. So this is quite fascinating with respect to, say, being in a business analyst role or a sales manager role or a customer success role. I could use this product to help me start building my plans and start engaging the other members of the team within this company in order for us to prevent customers from churning. So I think this is a really cool capability inside the eyko platform. And it's unlike anything else I've seen in the analytics category. So if you want to learn more about eyko, get in touch. We're at eyko.io and get in touch with us by clicking on the book a discovery call or go to the contact us page or simply send us an email at info@eyko.io and we'll happily walk you through the end-to-end presentation of this product and work with you to understand how this product may fit inside your analytics requirements. Again, the product is called eyko, and we allow you to get insights from all your data in minutes. Thanks again for watching this demonstration, and I look forward to speaking with you all soon.